Let's clear the connection and start fresh. If your BlueParrott b550-xt is refusing to pair, connecting to the wrong device, or dropping audio mid-call, the issue usually sits in its saved Bluetooth memory. These headsets can store multiple paired devices, and over time, that list can cause conflicts, especially if you switch between phones, tablets, or laptops. When that happens, the headset may try to connect to old devices or fail to show up entirely. A Bluetooth factory reset wipes that pairing list completely, giving you a clean slate to reconnect without interference. The point is performing the reset properly so all previous connections are erased. Let's go step by step. Try these. 1. Turn the headset on and ensure it has enough battery. 2. Press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together. 3. Keep holding both buttons for several seconds continuously. 4. Watch for the LED to flash or change pattern indicating reset. 5. Release the buttons and allow the headset to restart. 6. Pair it again through your device's Bluetooth settings.